Let us answer our third question that we started with, that we are going to answer in this video, and which is the checklist. What are the list of things or items when we want to close a book of accounts? We must ensure the reconciliation of cash and cash equivalent balances. So our cash books must all be closed, and we must lift their balances to where they should be. I want to believe we know where the balances must be lifted to. The trial balance. Okay? Also, when we close accounts, we must ensure that all customers' revenues, invoices have been booked and are complete. All the invoices generated for the year must be accounted for. So if there is a transaction that is happening, let's say for example today is the 31st of December any year, that transaction is happening as we are about to close our door. We need to ensure that we record that invoice or that transaction and ensure it's part of the account for that year or for that month, as the case may be. I hope we understand that. So all invoices must be in. Also, we must ensure payment receipts from customers have been accurately applied to invoices. Don't forget we mentioned invoices being booked. Now we need to ensure we match all payments received against our invoices. If not, we are going to have debts that are exaggerated. That is, customer might have paid because we did not match the payments, or the payments in particular, to invoices. Then we have debt figures that do not exist. So it must not be by the time we are closing. We must ensure this on our checklist. Also, we must ensure that accruals. What are accruals? Accruals are spendings. Accruals are obligations. I think for better word, obligations towards what we've enjoyed. So an organization has served our organization. We've purchased something from an organization, a vendor, and we are yet to pay. Or we anticipated that we are going to make payment on a particular item. We need to accrue for them, even though they are yet to be paid. But their payments, and we've enjoyed them in the year we are accounting for. So we must close them up with the year under review. We must ensure all vendors and procurement invoices have been booked and are complete. I've said that earlier. We must ensure that all payments made to settle the liability now, or the accrue, as the case may be, have been completely applied to the bill received from our vendor. Now we've spoken about the credit side. Now we are talking about the debit side. Also, our inventory, especially for organizations with large volume of stock and inventory, we must ensure that our inventory book balances are reconciled with the physical inventory. So that means before we can close our books, accounting books, we must do stock count. So stock count should be on our checklist too. Then we'll be able to reconcile our physical inventory with what we have in the book, whether they agree or not. Fixed asset register also, we must ensure that all existing assets at the particular time, let's say India or end of the month, are accurately recorded and they are physically verified. Also, we must ensure proper accrual have been made for withholding taxes and all relevant taxes as it may be applicable in your country. We must ensure we accurately close up the year as regards taxation. From GJAMES Associate Channel, this is Gbenga Olatunji FCA. If you are yet to subscribe, please, maybe you are just joining us, we would love that you subscribe so that you encourage us and at the same time push forward the channel to reach other people. We are value to life, we are value to your business.